I know you don't have money to invest in coins, and from my former video, I listed some coins you need to buy. Okay, but some of us who doesn't have money to invest in those coins. Now, how do you get money to invest? Cryptocurrency is a very nice space where whether you have money or not, you can make money. All right, like the NotCoin gave us a huge amount of money from those in my WhatsApp group. Right, we got money from NotCoin, from mining NotCoin. Now, I'll be showing you an app that will help you to gain some coins that when they are listed, you will now make money and then start from there. All right. So the name of this app is Satoshi App. Now, the problem you will have is this is the app. The problem you will have is downloading this app from Play Store. If you go to Play Store and search for this app, let me show you from Play Store. Play Store. If you download this app from Play Store, you are going to see the fake one. Watch Satoshi. This is Satoshi. Now, this one you are seeing here is not the real one. This is the fake one. Okay, I'm going to drop the link on my description so that you will use it and download the real one that you'll be using to claim airdrops and then mine some good coins, not fake coins. All right. So now let me show you how to do it. Once you click on that link on my bio, okay, on the description, sorry, if you click on that link, what you do is you sign up. It's very simple to sign up. Once you just put your email, okay, they will send you a code, a one-time password in your email. Then you just put that one-time password. Then the next thing you do is just to set your password. After setting your password, you come to this place. Once it's open, okay, they will now tell you to download the app. Okay, don't download it through Play Store. They will show you two options: downloading it through Play Store or just downloading it. Choose the one in the left, because the one in the right is downloading it through Play Store. Okay, don't choose that one. Okay, because you're going to download the fake one. Choose the one by the left where you just download it there in that browser and then install it. Now, after installation and then you have done your verification, you come to this place. Once you come to this airdrop now, okay, you will see an airdrop you will try to claim. As you're trying to claim that airdrop, they will now ask you to do your facial verification. Okay, just do your facial verification. Once the verification is done, then you are ready. Every day you come here, you come to this place. These are the two places you'll be checking each day you come. You check here to know if there is anything to claim. Like me now, I'm going to claim this place. Look at this. They say I should claim this. I'll click on it and see what happens. If I click on it, sorry. If I click on it, you see, you got 0k. You can also request for 3 people. Recruit 3 people. Okay, now I have to recruit 3 people. Okay, I'm going to share my link. If I share my link, if 3 people join, I will now come back to claim this particular project. But if not, then I can check this project. You come to project. Let's see what happens when I come to project. If I come to project, now these are projects you will be claiming. These are the projects you'll be claiming their coin. Okay, you'll be collecting their coin each day. You come and check. So now let me check for this one. The first one, I click on the first one. Then the next thing you do when you click on it is to participate. You participate in the airdrop. So if I click participate, then they will tell you successfully participated in the airdrop. So this one is okay. I have participated in this airdrop, right? So that is that. So the next thing you do is you check the next one, you click the next one, then you participate again. You participate. Project currently status: participation not available. Okay, this one is no longer available. You check the next one. Check the next one. That is how you'll be checking it every day. This one is no longer available. So that is it. Any new project that comes out, they will list it here. Then you just have to click on it and claim it. So this is very, very simple. With this, when each of those coins are listed, when each of them are listed, you will be very happy because you will make a lot of money. And then I'm going to teach you how to withdraw it. Okay, when it's listed, I will teach you how to withdraw it. So that is that. So I'll be dropping the link on the description for you to follow up and then invite people. Now, how do you invite somebody? You click on me. Look at this me, because you need to invite at least 3 people to this app. Okay, then if you click on me, you click on you have your, I think, where do you see, I think click on this let's see, there is a place you're supposed to get your referral link. Can I remember the place? Okay, let's check out. Where can we get our referral? Okay, download. Aha, yes, this is where you will copy it. So let me go back again and show you. So if you click on me, sorry, if you click on me, then the next thing you click on this download. If you click on download, you click on download, and then this is your referral link. You copy your referral link. Once you copy it, you can now send it for your friends to download the app using your referral link. Okay, it's very very easy to understand. So every day you come to just these two places, you check your airdrop, you check your project. So this is a very wonderful app to use. Okay, we can recruit. Okay, see, if you come to this team now, see team, see team. If you come to team, I'm seeing you can recruit teammate. You can recruit teammates. So let us click on it and see what happens. Oh, this is my referral link. Okay, this is even the best one to use. So this is where you get your referral link. You can click on copy the referral link and then send it to your friends for them to join. Once they join, as they are joining, you are doing what? It is increasing your team. You enter from team one, level one. I just opened this one for me to teach you. All right, you enter level two, and so on and so forth. It is very very easy, very very easy. So this is where you will see some list of coins that are doing well and the ones that are not doing well. So but that is not where our issue is. So the main thing is what? You go to team if you want to get your referral link, or you go to airdrop to claim some airdrop, or some project to claim some airdrop. All right, so that is that for that. I hope you understood it. If you have any question you want to ask about this Satoshi app, please drop it on the comment section. Then if you have any other app that you want us to review, that is used for coins, all right, you can as well tell us about that. Then I just remembered something. There is something I saved on my Telegram that I need to tell you guys. Let me check. There are some good mining apps. Aha, these are some list of mining apps that you can as well download. I think you can download them from Play Store. These are very nice good mining apps you can download from Play Store. I'll keep the list on the description. Each of them, if you can mine all of them, no problem. Anyone you can mine, you can start mining them. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to encourage us by just subscribe, like, and share. Please comment as well. This is where you encourage us. We give you updates on cryptocurrency. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye.